Good afternoon. You've reached Phoenix Dental Clinic. My name is Samantha. How can I help you?
Hey Samantha, I would like to book an appointment for tomorrow at 2 p.m.
I'm sorry, tomorrow at 2 p.m. is not available. Would you like to hear a couple of alternative times for tomorrow, or is there another day that works better for you?
Can we do it tomorrow? But can you tell me alternative times?
I do have an opening tomorrow at 1 p.m. Would you like to book that time, or would you prefer to try a different day?
Yeah, sure. Let's do 1 p.m.
Great, 1 p.m. tomorrow is available. I just need a few details before I can confirm anything. May I have your full name, please?
John Smith.
Thank you, John. Could I have your phone number, please?
333-444-5555.
Thank you. Could I also have your email address, please?
johnsmith@gmail.com.
Thank you, John. Lastly, could you please tell me the reason for your visit? For example, is it a general checkup, cleaning, or something else?
It's cleaning.
Thank you. So that's a cleaning appointment tomorrow at 1 p.m. under the name John Smith. Should I confirm this appointment?
Yes.
Thank you for confirming, John. Your cleaning appointment for tomorrow at 1 p.m. is reserved under your name. If you need to reschedule or have any questions before your visit, just let us know. We look forward to seeing you.
What you've just saw is an AI receptionist that never misses a call, using no code and in less than 15 minutes. The best part? Anyone can do this. You do not need to know how to code, you do not need any technical background, and there is no complex setup required. Here's why this is so important. Missed calls equal missed revenue. Every unanswered call is a potential lost client. Studies show that if you don't answer within 20 seconds, most people just hang up and call your competitor. And if you're running a business, whether it's a dental clinic, a law office, a salon, or any service-based business, you can't afford to miss calls. But hiring a full-time receptionist costs $30,000+ per year. And even then, they can't work 24/7. That's where AI comes in. But here's the problem most people run into. Most AI voice platforms are a trap. They lock you into expensive SaaS pricing. You pay per minute, per call, per feature, and the costs add up fast. By the time you're using it in production, you're paying hundreds, sometimes thousands per month. And the worst part? You don't own anything. You're stuck in their ecosystem, using their models, following their rules. But there's a better way. What if you could build your own AI receptionist using infrastructure instead of a locked platform? What if you could bring your own voice model, your own LLM, control the logic, and only pay for what you actually use? That's exactly what I'm about to show you. The first step is giving your AI a voice and a brain. For this, we're using Vapi. And here's why this matters. Most AI voice platforms charge you for everything, but Vapi is different. You're not paying for a locked platform. You're paying for infrastructure. That means you bring your own voice model, you bring your own LLM, you control the logic, and you only pay for what you actually use. No inflated SaaS pricing, no artificial limits, no enterprise plan, just to scale. And because Vapi is built for real phone calls, not demos, it handles low latency, interruptions, and real conversations out of the box. So if you want an AI voice that actually works in production and doesn't trap you in expensive plans, Vapi is the obvious choice. Here's how to set it up. Go to our link in the description and open Vapi. Create a free account. Click Create Assistant, give it a name, and start with a blank template. Once you do all of that, you will land on Vapi's dashboard. The first thing we are doing is setting up the model for our AI voice agent. I tested out all of the models myself, and the best one is GPT 4.1. It gives you the quickest response time with the best answers. Click on GPT 4.1. The first message is also important because this is what your AI agent will say first when you talk with it. To make this easier for you, I made a simple prompt document for you in the description, so you can follow along with this tutorial. Just take the first message, copy it, and paste it in Vapi. Now on to the most important part, and this is setting up the brain of our AI agent. I've specifically made a prompt that will work for any business. You just have to copy it from our prompt document and paste it in Vapi. Adjusting and changing this prompt for your business is extremely simple. You simply paste it to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to adjust it for your specific business, and you have an entire prompt in seconds. Now that we've already created our AI voice agent, it still needs additional features to be able to book appointments and be even smarter. So for that, we need to do a few more things. Scroll down to voice configuration. I tested all voice providers and the best one is 11 Labs. Now most people would just go and select a voice from the drop-down here, but that is a mistake. Best voices can be found in the 11 Labs community library. So go to 11labs.com, click Voices, and search for a receptionist voice. I already found a really quality voice. It's called Kate. You can copy the voice ID by going here. In Vapi, click Add Voice ID manually and just paste it under Custom Voice ID. One pro tip here is to scroll down to additional configuration and select a background sound. I will select office as this is suitable for office setting. This adds a human touch and it makes your AI voice agent 10x times better. Make sure to hit publish to save it. Now we have a partially working AI voice agent. Feel free to test it. However, this is still not finished because we still cannot check the availability or book the appointment that we want. This is where tools come in. Tools are the secret weapons in Vapi that make your AI voice agent 100x times better. How they work is you attach a tool to your AI voice agent and you give it functionality such as checking the appointments, booking the appointments, and more. To be able to do this, we need N8N. N8N is going to be the bridge between the tools and Vapi, so we can send information to our AI agent. I already prepared the N8N workflow template for you in the description so that you don't have to build it from scratch. Simply download it, go to N8N, click Create Workflow, click on the 3 dots and import the file. Now we have these 2 simple workflows. The first workflow is going to check for availability. The second workflow is going to add the appointment on the calendar. These are all the actions that our AI voice agent will have, so we need to configure these workflows. The workflows are connected to Vapi tools, which is the next step we need to set up. And don't worry, this might sound complicated, but it's actually not because I've prepared everything for you in the prompt document. You just have to follow along. Go to Vapi and click Tools on the left side. Click Create Tool and choose Custom Tool. This custom tool is going to be connected to N8N, and that's why this AI agent is so powerful. In the prompt document, you will have 2 different custom tools prompts: Check Appointment, Availability, and Book Appointment, Final. These tools will be connected to N8N, but I will show you this later in the video. For each, you will need to update the name, description, and parameters. Make sure to toggle the JSON for the parameters and paste in the JSON code that you have in the prompt document. If you created these custom tools successfully, now what we need to do is to add the server URL to each of these tools. This can be found in N8N. Go to N8N, click on the first node in the first workflow, copy the test URL, and paste it in the custom tool under the same name in Vapi. Do this for one more tool, and make sure to hit save in Vapi. With this, we successfully connected Vapi with N8N. Now we just need to adjust the settings in N8N to make sure everything is working correctly. To do this, go to the Google Calendar node in the first workflow. Click on Credentials. From there, go to Create New Credentials. Simply sign in with your Google account for your business, and that's it. Name your credentials because you will need them in the second step. Go to the second workflow and select the same credentials. If you followed the steps, you should have a fully working voice agent. We still need to do a few more things to make it really good. One tip, when you're testing the agent, add more appointments and try to book for the same day and time. This will show you if your AI voice agent is working correctly. Now that we know that our AI voice agent works, we need to activate our N8N workflow, publish it, and copy the new webhook URLs, because currently we use test URLs made only for testing. Go to N8N, click Save and Publish. Go to the first workflow, click production URL and copy it. Go to Vapi, Tools, and then paste that URL under the same tool name. Do this for the second workflow and second tool as well. And let's not forget to add these tools to our AI agent. Go to Assistants, click on your assistant, go to Tools and select these 2 tools, click on Publish, and you're good to go. Everything is now set up, but we still need one more thing, and that is a phone number so that people can call your agent. Go to Vapi, click Phone Numbers on the side, then click Create Phone Number. Here you will have a lot of options. If you're in the US, you can opt in for a free Vapi phone number. However, if you're not in the US, you will have to go for Twilio phone number. Go to Twilio, Phone Numbers, Buy a Number. Select a country, Voice Capabilities, and buy a phone number. Copy that number from Twilio to Vapi. Vapi will ask you for account SID and auth token. Go back to Twilio, click Account Dashboard, and scroll down. Simply copy these values and paste them into Vapi and click Import from Twilio. Go to your phone number and scroll down, and here you will be able to select a voice agent and assign it to your phone number. You can put this phone number on your website or anywhere so that people can call your AI voice agent. So now you know how to build an AI receptionist that never misses a call. You've got the 3-step system. Set up the AI brain with Vapi, give it superpowers with N8N and Google Calendar, connect it to a real phone number with Twilio. With that, you'll be able to answer every call in under 20 seconds, book appointments automatically, and never lose another client to a missed call again. But let's be real here. This is a lot of moving parts. Following all of this takes time, and if you want to outsource it, you never really know if the developer you hire actually understands voice AI. Then you've got back and forth revisions, delays, and at the end of the day, even one working agent can take weeks before it's ready to go live. That's where Vapi comes in. Vapi is built for people who want voice AI that works in production without getting trapped in expensive locked platforms. You bring your own voice model, you bring your own LLM, you control the logic, and you only pay for what you actually use. No inflated pricing, no artificial limits, no enterprise plan just to scale. And because it's built for real phone calls, not demos, it handles low latency and interruptions out of the box. If you want a voice platform that won't trap you in expensive plans, check out Vapi, link is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.